Hi guys, it's me Anne and I'm coming back with another video. In today's video we are going to discuss the new YouTube monetization rules. I didn't want to make this video. I was dreading making this video, but here we are, okay? But before I get into it, I would like to send a special shout out to Firmo for hooking me up with these glasses. These glasses were super duper cheap and they're amazing. I like to wear glasses instead of my contacts sometimes, and they put like this anti-reflective glare and all that stuff on it, so definitely check out Firmo. And of course, as I say in all my new videos, if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Remember, we have a journey to 40K for a giveaway, and of course turn on the notification bell if you want so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. YouTube came out with some new monetization rules. So to catch everyone up, in 2017, April to be exact, YouTube changed the monetization guidelines where you had to have 10,000 views in order to apply for YouTube partnership to be able to monetize your videos. Now this was a result of PewDiePie and a few other incidents where racial slur videos and all this negativity was being monetized, and advertisers were essentially upset, and they pulled a lot of their advertisements from YouTube until YouTube could make it safer and guarantee them that things like this would not happen. Okay? Now, January 16, 2018, YouTube was like, we need to shake this up again. Okay? 9 months later, we need to shake it up again. And YouTube announced that its new monetization guidelines would be you need to have 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to be eligible for YouTube partnership or to use Google AdSense to monetize your videos. This is what YouTube said right here. So, what does this mean? Essentially, 1,000 subscribers is a number, okay? And it's a number that's very clear and very self-explanatory, okay? What I'm going to break down at this point is the 4,000 watch time hours, which equates to 240,000 minutes. Yeah, 240,000 minutes. That's almost 250,000 minutes. Because when you do the whole watch time report on your YouTube, it tells you your stats in minutes, not hours, okay? So now that we have this number, let's move on. And I'm going to use my channel to show you how these particular guidelines, which go into effect in most definitely February 20th, would have affected me, okay? So these are my stats from last year, January 2017, okay? I had 1,000 subscribers, 278,716 watch time minutes, okay? 74,401 views, and of course I'm going to repeat that I had 1,000 subscribers, okay? So basically with the new monetization rules, I would have been able to monetize my videos as of January 2017. However, I received my first YouTube paycheck in October of 2016, and I had 600 to 700 subscribers, and I'm pretty sure that I did surpass 10,000 views prior to earning the money that I just mentioned. So if the old rule of 10,000 views was in effect, I would have still earned my Google paycheck that I had in October of 2016, okay? So the answer to the question that everyone is asking is yes. It is going to make it a bit more difficult to start making money on YouTube. Yes, these new rules do make it harder for you to monetize. However, when you do monetize, it kind of gives you less competition because YouTube is now spreading ads less thin. So you have more chances of getting more monetized views, which equates to more money for you. So advertiser money is not being spread so thinly because YouTube has become a place of oversaturation where everyone is just trying to randomly upload and not take it seriously until they see the money. So of course I did touch briefly on why this happened. Like the first issue in April 2017 was a result of the PewDiePie incident and a few other incidents where inappropriate videos were being monetized, and that's not the image that a lot of advertisers want to portray to anyone. They don't want to be synonymous with racism or negativity. Okay? And for the new change that happened January 16th, some people are speculating that it was a result of the Logan situation, which I'm personally not going to go too much in depth on. But long story short, he uploaded a video where a body of someone who committed suicide could be seen, and he made upwards of $80,000 in advertiser revenue before the video was taken down. And here's the thing, YouTube did not take that video down. He took the video down because of the backlash, and he had millions of views on this video prior to taking it down, and I believe it was up for a day. Okay, so that kind of shook advertisers up again, and to have advertisers shaken up twice in less than a year put YouTube in a very poor position, because they were still recovering from the issue with PewDiePie. Okay, so at this point they needed to do something, and they needed to do something a bit more drastic, and that's how this whole rule came into play. But the most important thing that I do want to say in this video is I do not want anyone to get discouraged because of the new guidelines. I know I get a lot of emails about I don't know where to start, or this is too hard or too difficult. I understand that this makes the game a little harder, but that doesn't mean that you should quit, because at the end of the day, if you are in it because you like YouTube and you actually want to do it, you will put in the work, and with the work will come the money. If you're focusing on the money first, then this rule is just, this is your stop sign. Okay, this is your stop sign if money is the first thing on your mind. You have to be able to want to put in the work because you actually like YouTube, because it's getting harder. Okay. Please let me know down in the comment section, what do you think about these new guidelines? How is it going to affect you? Let's open the floor to conversation. So I want to thank everyone for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.